number 3. Chapter is triangle. Exercise 7.1. Question number 3. Today's date is 30. This is your question number 3. This is the figure. This is a figure. A, B, C, D, and O. This is the figure in which this is 90 degree perpendicular, given perpendicular to each other. You have to prove CD bisect AB. Given to prove CD bisect not figure A, B, C and D. CD bisect AB. CD bisect AB means O is the midpoint of AB. Here also it is given that AD equal to BC. You can see on your screen the figure. In this figure, you have to prove CD bisect AB. Prove in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. Take angle A equal to angle B, which is given. BC AD side AD equal to BC. It is given. We know that when two lines intersect each other, their vertical opposite angles are equal, as this is B, C, A, B. This way, this angle equal to this angle. The angle AOD equal to angle AOD equal to angle BOC. And you can also take, if you not like to take it, you can take also this angle equal to this angle, because BC and AD are perpendicular on AB. So these are parallel lines. These are parallel lines, and we can take it AOD equal to angle AOD equal to angle BOC. These angles are vertically opposite angle VOA, vertically opposite angle. Therefore, triangle AOD, AOD congruent triangle DOC. So OA, so AO equal to BO by CP CT. This side equal to this side by CP CT, and angle D equal to angle C. Only we have to prove CD bisect AB, AO equal to OB. Hence, CD bisect AB. ये दिख रहा है थर्ड क्वेश्चन?
यस सर।
और फोर्थ फिफ्थ में भी किसी को प्रॉब्लम है? इफ एनीवन हैज प्रॉब्लम, आस्क।
सर सीपीसीटी का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है?
लिख लो, कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट
यस सर।
ऑफ CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle.
सर इसका मतलब
ये दो ट्रायंगल जब कॉन्ग्रुएंट होते हैं तो उनके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स यानी उनके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स, कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स सभी इक्वल होते हैं. In two triangles you can see on your board, we have taken triangle AOD and BOC. It is given AD equal to BC and BC and AD are perpendicular on AB. Means angle P is 90 degree and angle A is 90 degree. Right? And we have taken when two lines intersect each other, their vertical opposite angles are equal. So angle AOD and angle BOC are vertically opposite. You can see in figure. So we have find by both triangle are congruent by SAS or AAS. AOD congruent triangle BOC by AAS. This way. और five This is the figure. Question number 5. The question is, L is a bisector of angle A. This line L is the bisector of angle A, means this angle equal to this angle. B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendicular, you can see. B is any point and BP and BQ are perpendicular. From B to the arms of angle A. We have to prove first to prove number 1, triangle APB, congruent triangle AQB. And second, BP equal to BQ. Second, BP equal to BQ. This is question number 5. This is the figure and you have to prove. Proof. In triangle APB and triangle AQB. There are two triangles APB and AQB. This is angle P equal to angle Q. H 90 degree. Given because PQ and BP are the perpendicular from B. Angle BAP equal to angle BAQ. Given because L is the bisector of angle A. L angle A का bisector है, that's for BAB equal to QAB. Side AB is common. Therefore, triangle APB congruent triangle AQB. By we can see two angles and one side. This side is common. By AAS adjoins. Congruent by AAS. So, the first proof. Number 1. Now we can write in second. Triangle APB congruent triangle AQB. Therefore, BP equal to B Q by C E C. This is in triangle. This part is common. Both triangle are congruent, hence their corresponding side. Corresponding side means this is the perpendicular from B and BP is the perpendicular from B. So the perpendicular sides are equal. So BP equal to BQ, CPC. Hence, yes, or
सर इक्विडिस्टेंट का मीन्स क्या होता है?
इक्विडिस्टेंस माने समान दूरी पर, माने इक्विडिस्टेंस कहते हैं कि अगर देखो इस तरह से, अगर ये पॉइंट लाइन है कोई ए और बी दो पॉइंट और एक आगे पॉइंट पी है, तो P is equidistant from A and B means AP equal to BP. समझ में आया?
ओके सर,
हेलो,
थैंक यू।
इक्विडिस्टेंस मतलब समान दूरी पर, एक दूसरे से अगर मान लो कोई 1 मीटर की दूरी पर है तो दूसरा भी 1 मीटर की दूरी पर होगा from the given point. Now you can see question number 6. ये सबने लिख लिया क्या? ये समझ में आ रहा है? ये बताओ पहले।
यस सर, आगे सर।
यस सर।
ये देखो थ्योरम है ना, मैं कि पहला था SAS ASA, बस सेकंड पे था ये दोनों। इन दोनों में जब हमने थ्योरम प्रूफ किया था तो उसमें दिखाया था कि जब AAS कब लेते, जब डिफरेंस दिया होता है तो AAS को ASA में बदलने के लिए when we have to change AAS to ASA, first we take the rule sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. जब दो ट्रायंगल में दो एंगल इक्वल होगा तो इट मींस थर्ड इज आल्सो इक्वल, एंड देन वी प्रूव इट दैट द टू ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट बाय ASA, अदरवाइज AAS. You can see the figure on your board and in your copy. The question is in figure AC equal to AE. You can see AC equal to AE, AB equal to AD. ये साइन लगे हुए हैं इक्वल वाले. एट एंगल BAD equal to EAC. एंगल BAD equal to CAE. These angles are equal. You have to prove BC equal to DE. In figure, it is given that AB equal to AD, AC equal to AE, angle BAD equal to CAE. You have to prove BC equal to DE. To prove BC equal to DE. BC equal to DE. angle DAD equal to angle BAD equal to angle CAE. This is given. Now we have to add angle DAC. Adding angle DAC in both sides. We get angle BAD plus angle DAC equal to angle CAD plus angle DAC. अब here BAD plus DAC means this angle BAC, angle BAC equal to angle CAD
सर क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है।
angle CAE plus angle DAC, this angle. This angle. Angle DAE. Angle DAE. Now, in triangle now in triangle DAC or ABC and triangle ADE. AB equal to AD. Given AC equal to AE. Given angle ABC equal to angle BAC. Angle BAC equal to angle DAE. Angle DAE. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent triangle ADE by ASE. Side angle and side. Side, side angle side. SAS. So BC equal to DE by CPC. Yes, yes, समझ में आया? Everyone has understand it? Was
Yes, sir.
now you have to do 2 questions. Question number 7 and 8 you have to try as your homework. And